Hi guys, this is another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today we are fixing up the old RV. It's our new RV. You know, with every RV, we're going full-time RV, so we have to make sure that we have all the right poo pipe fittings. So it's not a fun subject, but you know what? It's an important subject for full-time RVing. So I got an elbow that fits on that has been highly recommended by other full-time RVers, and it is a RV Hydroflush. What it does is it hooks onto the end of your poo pipe, and then what you do, and this will be another video, but even if you didn't do it, it hooks onto the end of your poo pipe, and I'll show you here in a second. And then when you pull the valve, it gives you a visual, so you can see that stuff is coming out, which is nice. When you just have the poo pipe on there, you're not really sure whether stuff is flowing or not. This will give you a visual, so you can see stuff flowing, and you know when it's ended flowing. But the other thing that is very good is if you see it not flowing anymore, you can hook up a hose and shoot water up there to get any clogs out. Very cool. Let's hook it up and see what happens, shall we? Well, I'm not actually cleaning any poo pipe out, but I can show you how it hooks up. No, it comes with an anti-siphon. And if you don't know what an anti-siphon is, that is an anti-siphon is so that poo cannot come back into the water supply. So you always want to put that on. Most campgrounds require that anyway. I'm not new to RVing. This is just a new RV to me. And most campgrounds require you to have an anti-siphon on your hose so that nothing can backflow into their water supply. It's just a good idea. So that's cool that they sent one of these. A lot of times you have to buy these. In fact, in another video of mine, I can show you where I have purchased anti-siphons for my regular water hose. So anyway, that's a great idea. I'm not going to put that on right now for the purposes of this video. So anyway, so just so you get a good look at that, this is the part that hooks up to the RV, and then it downflows in there, which is nice too. It takes the stress off of the plastic plumbing of the RV. Instead of coming straight off, this allows it to flow down, which is nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that on there like so, and just make sure you snap it on there so it doesn't leak. And so you can see that that is flowing down, so that's ease of flow for the poo. Thumbs up. Get yourself an RV Hydroflush. I say pick one up today.